My name is Ewa Czaykowska-Higgins, and I'm a linguist by training. I'm currently a professor in Indigenous education and humanities at the University of Victoria. The University of Victoria is on the unceded territories of the Lekwungen-speaking peoples, the Saanich, Songhees, and the Esquimalt. And I'm very, very grateful to live and work on those really very beautiful lands. And I'd also just like to say that I'm grateful today to be on the traditional territories and the unceded traditional ancestral territories of the Squamish, Tsleil-Waututh, and the Hwamathkwiyam.
So let's start very generally. Can you tell me about your research interests?
Yeah, well, my research falls into several interrelated areas, including language documentation and description, and language revitalization and reclamation. And within those areas, I'm doing a number of different things, so I'll just mention the four kind of main ones. So currently, I'm working on two projects that are related to building dictionaries, one with the Nhaukjin language program and one with the Saanich School Board. And both of these take legacy recordings and make them accessible, usable, and also responsive to community goals. So one of them, the project with the Saanich School Board, is called Eilquil, Moving Out to Sea. Its purpose is to mobilize, for language learning and teaching purposes, hundreds of pages of typescripts and manuscripts and also recordings in Sanchothan language made by late Penech Dave Elliott Sr. in the 70s and early 80s. And he was working with about 18 first language speakers of Sanchothan. So these are an exceptionally rich and really brilliant resource for Sanchothan language. And the team that's working on this project includes elders, teachers, learners, a coordinator, and then I'm the team linguist. So it's really an honor to be part of that team. I'm also working on the Nhaukjin Lexical Resource Project, and that one was begun about 30 years ago. So we're finally at the stage of proofreading, and that project involves creating a database of recordings made in the 60s and 70s by language speakers working with Dale Kincaid, who was a linguist. And then we're creating a web-based lexical resource, and we're also creating a print dictionary. And the group that's working on this includes the Nhaukjin language program of Colville tribes and also the Humanities Computing and Media Center at the University of Victoria.